Arbor Day here in the homeland is celebrated on the 25th of June, which was less than 48 hours ago. Coincidentally, the PCO chief led a tree planting project today in light of worsening floods in the mega city and in response to the growing and adverse effects of climate change, as our J.M. Pineda reports.
In the past several days, Metro Manila and nearby provinces experienced unpredictable weather, like heavy rain that quickly causes flooding. Some areas that were not affected by floods in the past are now actually experiencing rapid flooding in just a few minutes of heavy rain. Amidst all this, nature remains our ally in preventing major disasters, which is why it must be protected in all parts of the Philippines. This is the goal of the Presidential Communication Office, or PCO, through its tree planting and waste retrieval activity. PCO Secretary J. Ruiz personally led the activity held in Barangay San Roque, San Jose del Monte, Bulacan, an area rich in natural resources. He emphasized that caring for nature lies in each individual's hand.
Una, yung responsibility. Responsibilidad ng bawat mamamayang Pilipino na malinis at syempre yung basurang itinapon ay dapat rini-recycle po yan. Ang Barangay San Roque, ito pa kasi is ehemplo po ito ng sustainable development. Na bagamat may development ay kinakailangan natin na dapat mangyari is kinakailangan na sustainable yan. Na dapat pangalagaan.
Secretary Ruiz also said that the planting of trees symbolizes the value and love for our natural resources and our commitment to fighting climate change, which is believed to cause various calamities.
Kung kaya't ngayon pa lang, ang pagtatanim ng puno ay napakahalaga. Kunwari, tayo, sabay-sabay tayo, bawat isa sa atin magtanim ng puno, 110 million Filipinos sabay-sabay. Nakikita natin yung epekto niyan dahil lilinis ang hangin natin, magkakaroon tayo ng shade at marami pang iba.
He further stressed the importance of Filipinos valuing nature, which is also a national asset. Aside from fighting climate change, protecting the environment also helps achieve food security.
Minsan, hindi natin ito pinapahalagaan na pwede pala natin itong gawing natural resource. Magtanim ka dyan, makukuha mo yung pagkain mo dyan. Sa araw na ito, ipinapakita natin po yung kahalagahan ng ating kalikasan.
This aligns with President Ferdinand Marcos Jr.'s advocacy to protect and enrich the environment, which is a key pillar of his administration's sustainable development goals. The activity will also benefit the farmers of San Roque Upland Farmers Reform Cooperative, who have been tasked to take care of the planted trees in the area. J.M. Pineda from the National TV Network for a new and better Philippines.